Hey guys, and welcome back. I am going to show you. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Anywho, they said sleep. Look how cool that is. I never realized that. Anyway, I'm just sleeping right now, but I don't know what happened. We're about to go somewhere to the fights. If I don't know if you guys ever seen them, but it's the cage fights, and I would record it, but I don't have a cell phone, and my DS is not in the one that you can record stuff on. Anywho, I'm gonna show you some games that I like. Egg. I like how horses sleep. So cute. Okay, anyway. So here, the first game I'm gonna show you is Falling Phantoms. I know you've seen them in my videos a lot. It's just because I love to make them. Okay, anywho, I'm running out of coins. Let's go feed them. Cheerio, come on. Let's move it, guys. Let's move it. Let's go. Hop. I have to go somewhere. I have to go on a date. No, I don't. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Okay, here we go. Santa Claus! Here we go. I like Manio. This is so easy. I'm just kidding. Whenever it gets to that middle one, it starts to get harder. If you guys didn't know that. I died. The monkey one. He's not dead yet. He's getting hit by them, and he's not even dying. That's mean. Okay, I think I have enough. Okay, let's go. That wasn't fall. How rude. Move. Okay, let's do this thing. Boom. I like my nail. I want the coin. Guys. Okay, let's stop this game and go to the next game. I like my nail. I don't play the game that they always get a spaceship from, but I'll play Best Dressed. The best way I do is like this. Oh, never mind. I can show you. It's like the coolest. Okay, this is how I do it. Head. Okay, now my neck. Back. Legs. Oh no, I'm not gonna win, but who cares? Oh, okay. I'm gonna take it over there. There you go. There you go. You good? You're good. I'll just choose a member. Yay! Let's go to proper places to be. Just up like, almost like a singer. Ah! Head, head, head. Head, head, head. Head, head, head. Don't know why. I'm singing. Look, there's a chicken. I don't care if I don't look like one. Ooh, look, a diamond ring. Diamond. That song, I don't know the song, but diamond. Okay. Her. I bet she's gonna win or him. See, she won. Let's go! Oh gosh, there's more people. Angriest. Okay. Color first. Plain red. So red. Okay, now head. Don't ask. Neck. Back. Dang, I didn't get to choose it. There I am. Hi. I should win this, because the maddest. Oh, I guess he's out. We didn't finish. Maybe he rolled off. Yes! I'm done. Divas, what? Holla! Okay, let's show you the next game. Bye. Okay, what is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't have it! Oh, there it is. Sky high. made that one. Okay. Ooh. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I see my inside a cup. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Thank you very much. Yay! No! I want a bunny plushie. Oh, no bunny plushie. I'm a giraffe. No, thank you. Oh, well, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you check out my other channels. I'll be in touch with you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and here's the game. Let's have it all. Just look at it. Look how beautiful they are. There are some members, I don't know why. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching, bye.